Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful world of hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is an art that has been loved for generations. It's peaceful, creative and allows to make something truly special with your own hands. Let's explore some simple and lively designs ideas that anyone can try. First, let's talk about floral embroidery. Flowers are one of the most popular designs because they look beautiful and are easy to stitch. You can make roses, tulips, or small birds using simple stitches. Even if you are a beginner, you can start with teeny 5-petal flowers. Floral patterns work well on clothes, pillow covers, table mats, and even purse. They always add a soft, elegant touch. Another beautiful idea is geometric embroidery. Geometric patterns use straight lines, triangles, diamonds, or square shapes. They look very modern and stylish. You can create repeating patterns or mix different shapes for a unique design. Geometric embroidery looks amazing on handbags, cushion covers, or even jeans. It adds a clean, bold style. If you like a traditional art, try circle, cultural or authentic designs. Many cultures around the world have their own embroidery style, like mirror work, outlines. These designs often look rich or detailed but can be created using simple stitches. They are perfect for shawls, kurti borders, dupattas, or festive outfits. Another festive is outline embroidery, also called line art. This design uses only basic stitches to create pictures like a woman, a flower outline, an animal, or a simple shape. Because it's done with just lines, it looks clean, modern, and minimalist. It's perfect for beginners and work beautifully on hoops for all decorations. Now let's talk about motif embroidery. Motifs are small designs like butterflies, hearts, stars, or teeny flowers. You can place them all over a fabric. Motifs are great for adding small decorative touches to baby clothes, scarves, or simple tops. They are quick to make and add a cute creative look. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.